I'm having a bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll, and scallion bagel with cream cheese. All right, so right now we're on our way to Dover Street Market. My girlfriend received a text saying that she won a place in store for the Supreme BOGOs. That's insane. Like, I believe this is gonna be my first BOGO for retail. I've paid resale for all of them. So right now we're heading to Dover Street Market, and I'll see you then. All right, so we did go to Dover Street Market. I was able to pick up a size medium gray. They didn't have much in there, so I went in there with the intention to buying the copper XL Supreme BOGO hoodie, but all XLs were sold out, smalls. They only had medium in a black and white colorway, so they really didn't have much inside there. But now we're heading to this place called Black Tap. We're gonna pick up some milkshakes there. What else did you get?
I got the beanie, the gray beanie that I wanted.
Oh, okay, that's cool, yeah.
I caught my stepdad a lighter. I got this right here.
Oh yeah, they had that at the store too. And you got the gloves too? Look, he got show the beanie again.
They didn't get them, bro.
They didn't get what?
The gloves.
Alright, so we just came back from shopping at Supreme, and what I was able to pick up was this, I believe they call the colorway plum. So I was able to pick up this plum beanie and a size medium gray BOGO hoodie. I don't like how this gray is. I really like the heather gray colorway. I don't know why they got rid of the heather gray, but this is what it looks like now. So we're currently waiting for an Uber. Right now we're gonna go to this place called Fly Nyon, which is essentially a helicopter tour around New York City. So we're gonna check that out. This is my first time flying in a helicopter, so we'll see how that goes. Right now we just picked up some Starbucks. Alright guys, we're about to board the helicopter. It's about to be crazy. First time being on a helicopter.
Once again, I'm John. I'll be your pilot today. Quick background. Been flying for 18 years now. Did 12 years active duty Army flying Apaches, attack helicopters. Now I currently fly Blackhawks with the Jersey Guard, still military. So when I'm not flying, I'm still flying. Alright, so you guys are in good hands. We'll have some fun today. Beautiful day out. A little chilly, but it's actually not that bad. No winds. It's gonna be nice and smooth. Visibility's great. Not gonna rain. So you guys picked a great day to fly.
we're currently waiting for the subway. We're about to head to Sweet Chicks to have some chicken and waffles. Alright, so it's currently Sunday. We're on our way to the memorial. Our hotel is right in front of it, so we're just walking there. Also picked up a Starbucks, mandatory for the morning. I got a white mocha triple shot. So right after the memorial, we're planning to have breakfast at Bubby's. I don't know how guaranteed we'll be able to sit down, but we went a couple days ago and they were extremely busy, so hopefully we get a table this time. Yesterday was kind of weird as well. It was like probably 67 in the 60s. It was raining and it was a little humid, and it was just warm weather for December. Alright, so now we're at Bubby's. This place is a breakfast and brunch place. Overall experience, service was great, but the food was definitely lacking on flavor. In my opinion, it's not worth the wait or the hype. So we're on our way back to Upper Manhattan. We're gonna stop by the MoMA museum store to pick up some Cos puzzles pieces. Alright, so this is our last day in New York. Currently heading to Brooklyn, Williamsburg. We're gonna check out the Supreme store and then this steakhouse called Peter Luger. Yeah, we're just about to board the R train. So this is overall one of my favorite experiences from my New York City trip, was visiting Peter Luger Steakhouse. It's located in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, New York. The steak I had was a steak for one. I originally wanted a steak for two, but I know I wouldn't have time to eat it all. The steak was a dry aged Porterhouse steak, broiled in clarified butter. Steak had a crusty exterior. The inside was super juicy and super tender. The butter was an amazing companion to the steak. I should have gotten a rare because my medium rare turned into a medium due to the boiling hot butter. And I also got a plate of their homemade sweet and flaky onion rings and their German fried crispy potatoes with their staple Peter Luger steak sauce. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, really helps support the channel. This is my first time doing voiceover, so let me know how I did. Thank you.